Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to assemble this dining chair. So let's get into it. In step 1 we have pieces 4 and 3. We really just want to make sure that we have them crossing the right way. So we'll want to have 3 down like this, and then we want 4 to overlap this way, not this way. And then we can take bolt A with our lock washer and our normal washer. We can go ahead and put that down through the middle. And then we'll tighten that with our hex key. All right, once that's nice and snug, we can move on to step 2, which is attaching the backrest. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it up here so you can see. But we'll take our bolts C, which are the wedge-shaped bolts, and then we'll go ahead and put these into the back here. And we want to do all of these finger tight and get them all in before we tighten them. Okay, and then once those are all in, at least part way, we can tighten them the rest of the way with our Allen key. And then as you're turning the Allen key, just be careful not to scratch the metal. Okay, once those are all tight, we can move on to step 3, where we'll attach the seat to the legs. And to do that, we'll go ahead and bring this back over here. And you just want to make sure that you have the rounded part at the back, like this. And then we'll hang this over the edge again, just like this. And then just make sure you hold it so that it doesn't fall off your table. And then we can go ahead and put in the bolts, again with the washers and lock washers. And then again, we just want to make sure we can get all of the bolts in before we tighten them completely. Okay, and then we can tighten them the rest of the way with our Allen key. All right, once they're all tight, we're done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new dining chair. For more tips, tricks, and guides, go to walkeredison.com.